There's lots of fun for all ages at Chelsea Piers, the recreation complex on Manhattan's west side. There's skating, there's bowling, there's softball, there's basketball, and there's soccer, including for children as young as 2. Yes, 2. With sports accidents being the second leading cause of injuries amongst kids, it seems reasonable to ask whether 2 years old is too young to start learning to play soccer, right? Right. Ron Restrepo, the soccer director at Chelsea Piers, hosts what's called a micro soccer class for 2 and 3-year-olds. He says the classes are totally safe and that all the kids, of course, bring their adult caregivers along. Sure enough, moms and dads and nannies are real hands-on for micro soccer, which mostly consists of the little ones being led around. The class opens up with all the toddlers standing in a circle stretching. After stretching, they toddle around and play with the mini soccer balls and mini soccer nets, and they wobble, not jump, over the mini hurdles. They fall down a lot. Sometimes Restrepo sings to the kids to keep them engaged, and he plays kiddie songs with kiddie lyrics. Wiggle your hips, wiggle your arms, show me your hands. Now, when I first read about a soccer class for 2-year-olds, I'm thinking, these toddlers haven't been toddling around for very long at all. How can they do a soccer class? Aren't they pretty distracted? But I saw the class up close and personal. Nobody got hurt. The toddlers and grown-ups seem to be having a lot of fun. Restrepo says it's not about teaching a sport, it's about teaching a way of life. By that, he means it's never too early to start exercising. That might be true. Some studies show that participating in physical activities at a young age can prepare children for a lifetime of better health, even at 2, when it's just a bunch of falling and toddling around. For The Spectrum, I'm Tabitha Castillo.